Hello students, I am your course instructor Professor Anisa Shikalgar. So it is our second video about the derivation tree. In the previous video we have seen what is derivation tree, means the starting symbol is always the root node, vertex are non-terminals and leaf nodes are the terminal nodes. So we have seen also one particular example that how the derivation tree is derived, and the derivation tree is of having two types, left derivation tree and right derivation tree. So that is our second example regarding the derivation tree. So here S is the starting symbol, that is our root node, and that S produces AB and S produces B capital A. These are the two production rules of our starting symbol. So here students, if we observe the string to be derived which is started from the B, therefore I can use that particular production rule for the S. So S produces B A. That is our first rule which we have used for the derivation tree. Then here it is our first leaf node and our string also started with the B which we have going to derive. Then capital A. Capital A produces, here three different rules are there. Capital A produces A, AS, BAA. So if I observe the string to be derived, in that the second symbol is also B. Okay. So here if I use BAA, A produces BAA, then I obtain that second B. Then for these two AA, in that we can also see here by trial and error method, we can see how to derive that particular derivation tree. B A A. So suppose that is my second leaf node. Then capital A produces, what we can use, suppose I can again use capital A produces AS. So AS, that is my third leaf node. The fourth leaf node should be A. So S produces, I can use AB. So the students, here we are near about our string which we are going to derive. So A and capital B. So BB AA, that particular part is completed, and then capital B derives B. So here I can use that particular, and A produces small a. So if you can see here, we have completed our string BB AA BA by using the derivation tree. So here the string to be derived is given, the grammar is given, and we are using that particular type of the derivation, that is derivation tree or parse tree, to derive the string. Okay. Then here we can observe this third example is given. Only two production rules are given. S produces SBA and S produces AB, and the string to be derived is AAA BBB. So the students, here that is very simple derivation tree. S is the root node and S derived A S B, that particular first production rule which we can use. Here it is the first leaf node. Again S produces, if I use AB, then AABB, only that particular string we obtain. Therefore again I am using S produces A S and B. So here that particular is the second leaf node. S produces AB. Now we are using that particular rule. Here it is the third leaf node, fourth leaf node, fifth leaf node and sixth leaf node. So here AA A B B B, that particular string we have derived by using production rules which they have given in the particular grammar. So it is our second example regarding the derivation tree, and here it is the third example of the derivation tree. So the students, remember those two things, that if in the question they have asked particularly to use the left derivation tree and right derivation tree, then you have to show how we are replacing the leftmost non-terminal or we are replacing the rightmost non-terminal. In both ways the derivation tree, the final answer looks like same, but how we have replaces the non-terminal, that part is very important to show. So that we have about the derivation tree second and third example. Thank you.